Induction cooktops revolutionize the culinary experience with their precise and efficient cooking technology. Using electromagnetic fields, they quickly and evenly heat pots and pans, offering precise temperature control and rapid adjustments. Embrace the future of cooking as induction cooktops blend innovation and culinary mastery in perfect harmony. Hey everyone! In this video, we will look at the 6 best induction cooktops available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more information on the products and to get the most updated prices in real time, be sure to check the links in the description below, as these items might just surprise you with unexpected discounts. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the Cooktops Portable Induction Cooktop. This portable induction cooktop comes in 2 models, the 8100 MC and 8120 MC, both offering exceptional performance. The multifunction control panel allows you to choose between 2 different modes, giving you the flexibility to cook with precision and efficiency. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its fast heat dissipation capability. Equipped with a durable 7-blade fan, it rapidly dissipates heat to ensure a longer product life. This ensures that the cooktop remains cool to the touch, providing a safe and comfortable cooking experience. With a 170-minute timer, you can set precise cooking durations to achieve perfect results every time. This cooktop heats up quickly, significantly reducing your cooking time and allowing you to enjoy your meals faster. Maintenance is a breeze with this induction cooktop. The absence of an open flame or heating element means that food doesn't burn onto the glass surface. Simply wipe the cooktop with a damp towel and it will be as good as new. This easy-to-clean feature makes it a convenient choice for busy individuals or those who prefer hassle-free maintenance. To ensure optimal performance, it is essential to place compatible cookware on the surface of the cooktop. The induction technology relies on magnetic fields to heat the cookware directly, providing precise temperature control and efficient energy usage. This induction cooktop utilizes a standard 120 volts and 15 amp electrical outlet, making it compatible with all North American homes. Its lightweight and compact design allows for easy handling and storage, ensuring that it seamlessly fits into your kitchen space. Equipped with a digital control panel, this cooktop offers a range of features to enhance your cooking experience. The built-in countdown digital timer with 1-minute increments of up to 170 minutes allows for precise cooking control. With 10 temperature ranges from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 power levels from 200 to 1800 watts, you have full control over your culinary creations. Safety is a top priority with this induction cooktop. The auto pan detection feature automatically shuts off the unit after 60 seconds if no cookware is detected. It also features a diagnostic error message system and low and high voltage warning system, ensuring your cooking experience remains safe and reliable. This cooktop is ETL approved, meeting rigorous safety standards. In conclusion, this portable induction cooktop is a game-changing kitchen appliance that brings convenience, precision, and efficiency to your cooking endeavors. With its advanced features, easy maintenance, and compact design, it is a must-have for anyone seeking culinary excellence. At number 2 on the list is the New Wave Flex Induction Cooktop. Packed with advanced features and designed for precision cooking, this cooktop offers a versatile and efficient solution for all your cooking needs. Featuring precision temperature control in 10-degree increments, this cooktop allows you to fine-tune your cooking with accuracy. Choose from the 6 convenient preset temperature settings or customize your own temperature from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. With 45 precise temperature options at your fingertips, you can keep delicate sauces warm at 100 degrees Fahrenheit or achieve perfect grill marks on a juicy steak at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted with reinforced ceramic glass, this cooktop is designed to withstand intense heat without shattering. This heavy-duty, shatterproof ceramic glass provides a durable and safe cooking surface, making it one of the most reliable and secure cooktops on the market. Experience fast heat and precise temperature control with this cooktop. Its superior technology and slim design bring the induction heating coils closer to your cookware, ensuring faster and more even heating. Safety is a top priority with this cooktop. This cooktop features built-in safety mechanisms, such as automatic shutoff when the set cook time is completed and the prevention of starting when cookware is removed. With no hot coils or open flames, the risk of burns and fire is significantly reduced, providing peace of mind while you cook. This cooktop is not only versatile but also portable, making it perfect for dorms, RVs, campsites, and smaller apartments. With 3 wattage settings of 600, 900, and 1300 watts, it performs flawlessly even in locations with limited power supply. From melting chocolate to preparing delicate sauces, this cooktop makes challenging culinary tasks effortless. Set the cooktop at 120 degrees Fahrenheit for melting chocolate, without the need for a double boiler. Prepare delicate sauces like hollandaise, beurre blanc, and beurre fondue with ease, knowing that the temperature control will ensure perfect results every time. To ensure optimal performance, make sure your cookware is induction ready. Check for the induction symbol printed on the bottom of your cookware or use a magnet. If the magnet sticks to the bottom, it typically means that the pot or pan is compatible with induction cooking. In conclusion, this cooktop brings precision, convenience, and safety to your cooking endeavors. With its precise temperature control, durable ceramic glass surface, advanced technology, and portable design, it is a versatile and reliable cooking companion. At number 3 on our list is the Griccio Portable Induction Cooktop. This 2-in-1 cooktop is designed to elevate your cooking experience, making it easier and more enjoyable than ever before. With unilateral control, adjusting the temperature level on this cooktop is a breeze. Whether you're using the griddle or the induction burners, you can easily switch between modes with a single touch. The flexibility and versatility offered by this cooktop allow you to master various cooking techniques effortlessly. The electric griddle boasts an extremely large non-stick surface, providing ample space to cook multiple dishes at once. Its non-stick coating ensures easy food release and hassle-free cleaning with just a simple wipe. Equipped with double induction burners, this cooktop is compatible with any saucepan or cookware. The dual-zone design allows you to use each zone independently, offering precise control over the heat distribution. With 5-gear adjustments for the right burner and 7-gear adjustments for the left burner, you can customize the heat level according to your cooking needs. Experience the convenience of setting your desired cooking mode and heat level with ease. The sensitive buttons and sliding control make it simple to adjust the settings, allowing you to cook like a professional chef. This cooktop also features a precise timer ranging from 0 to 99 minutes, enabling you to cook with accuracy and without the need for constant monitoring. The integrated black crystal glass panel is not only stylish but also scratch-resistant, ensuring durability and longevity. The slim and portable design allows for easy storage and hassle-free cooking in any setting. This cooktop also features an automatic shut-off function to prevent overheating, ensuring the safety of you and your family. Cleaning up after cooking is effortless with this cooktop. The high-temperature resistant non-stick griddle pan is PFOA-free and easy to clean with a single wipe. The glass-top induction cooktop surface is also a breeze to maintain, further enhancing the overall convenience of this appliance. The removable griddle pan leaves no gaps for grease to seep into, making it the perfect choice for those who value cleanliness and ease of use. In conclusion, this portable induction cooktop offers the perfect combination of a dual induction cooker and a grill pan. Its versatility, precise temperature control, safety features, and easy maintenance make it a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. At number 4 is the Cooktron Double Induction Cooktop. With its superior functionality and versatile design, this cooktop is a must-have for culinary enthusiasts and those seeking convenience in their cooking experience. Boasting an impressive 1,800 watts power output, this double induction cooktop delivers rapid and efficient heating. Its high-power coil ensures quick heat-up times, allowing you to boil water in just 1 minute under the booster mode. This cooktop provides the perfect balance of speed and precision, making it suitable for various cooking methods such as steaming, boiling, frying, and slow stewing. With its touch control panel, operating the cooktop is a breeze. Enjoy instantaneous fire control with simple touch operation. The unilateral control allows for seamless adjustments, giving you full control of the cooking process. Choose from the 10 temperature levels ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 464 degrees Fahrenheit and 9 power levels to achieve the desired heat intensity. The multi-power setting allows you to make quick adjustments in 200 watts increments, catering to your specific cooking needs. The bottom radiator and overheating protection system ensure fast heat dissipation, preventing this cooktop from overheating and prolonging its lifespan. The child lock feature adds an extra layer of safety, preventing accidental operation and ensuring peace of mind in a busy kitchen environment. Its smooth glass surface is easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth, maintaining its sleek appearance with minimal effort. The cooktop's non-stick coating makes cleaning even more convenient as it prevents food from sticking and seeping into crevices. Whether you're cooking in your kitchen, RV, office, or even while camping, this portable cooktop delivers exceptional performance. With its compact and lightweight design, it is easy to install and carry, making it an ideal choice for those with limited kitchen space or for those on the go. In conclusion, this double induction cooktop offers the perfect combination of power, precision, and convenience. Its ability to quickly adjust temperatures, high-quality construction, and easy maintenance make it a standout choice for cooking enthusiasts. At number 5 on the list is the iSiler Induction Cooktop. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, this cooktop is a game-changer in the world of cooking appliances. Equipped with 9 power levels, this induction cooktop allows you to quickly choose your desired power output from 150 watts to 1,800 watts. This wide range of power options ensures that you have the flexibility to simmer, deep fry, boil, saute, sear, steam, slow cook, and grill with ease. Whatever your cooking needs may be, this cooktop has got you covered. Adjusting the temperature is a breeze with the 9 preset temperature levels. The temperature can be easily adjusted ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit in 40 degrees Fahrenheit increments. The large touch buttons are highly sensitive, enhancing usability and making it simple to set the desired temperature for your cooking task. This induction cooktop offers wide applications and portability. This cooktop surface has a diameter of 6.7 inches, allowing it to accommodate frying pans with a diameter of 3.9 to 8.6 inches. This ensures a large and uniform heated area, promoting even cooking results. Despite its capabilities, the cooktop is compact and lightweight with a thickness of just 2.3 inches. This makes it easy to transport and store, making it an ideal choice for areas with limited space. It features a long 3-hour timer that can be set in 1-minute increments, providing precise control over your cooking duration. Additionally, it comes with safety features such as overheating protection, a child lock, and rounded edges for ultimate safety during use. The cooktop's hardened glass surface is scratch-resistant, ensuring excellent wear resistance and easy cleaning after each use. It maintains its sleek appearance even after repeated use. For added safety and energy efficiency, this cooktop automatically turns off within 60 seconds when no induction cookware is detected, preventing accidental operation and saving power. In conclusion, this induction cooktop is a reliable and efficient cooking companion that brings precision and convenience to your kitchen. With its 9 power levels, 9 preset temperature levels, wide applications, and portable design, it offers versatility for various cooking tasks. Enjoy the benefits of precise temperature control, safety features, and easy maintenance with this induction cooktop. At number 6 on the list is the VBGK Induction Cooktop. Packed with impressive features and designed for optimal performance, this cooktop is a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. Featuring a multifunction control panel with 3 different modes, this induction cooktop offers flexibility in your cooking endeavors. Choose from various cooking options and easily adjust the heat level to suit your culinary needs. With a wide area of firepower adjustable from 600 watts to 2,200 watts, you have the power to cook your dishes to perfection. Fast heat dissipation is a standout feature of this induction cooktop. This cooktop is designed to quickly dissipate heat, ensuring efficient and safe cooking. This not only saves you time, but also enhances energy efficiency, making it an environmentally friendly choice for your kitchen. It is equipped with a safety child lock feature, preventing children from accidentally touching the cooktop and ensuring peace of mind while cooking. The round edges of the cooktop eliminate sharp corners, reducing the risk of accidents. This cooktop also features an overheat protection device, offering an added layer of safety. The easy-to-clean panel can be wiped clean with a simple swipe, saving you time and effort in maintaining its sleek appearance. The cooktop's smooth surface adds to its modern and sleek design, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. This induction cooktop features dual heating zones, with each burner providing 2,000 watts of power. This allows you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously, saving you time and effort in meal preparation. The independent LCD display for each heating area ensures easy monitoring and control over your cooking process. Through electromagnetic induction heating, the cooktop ensures there is no heat loss between the cooking surface and the pot, making it highly energy efficient. This not only saves time, but also reduces energy consumption, benefiting both your cooking experience and your wallet. This cooktop uses standard 110 to 120 volts of electricity, making it compatible with all North American homes. It is equipped with a child safety lock system, auto-pan detection that automatically shuts down the unit after 30 seconds if no cookware is detected, and a diagnostic error message system for added safety and convenience. This induction cooktop is compatible with various cookware types, including cast iron, electromagnetic steel, enamel, and stainless steel with a magnetic bottom. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking applications, both at home and outdoors. In conclusion, this induction cooktop offers a perfect blend of convenience, efficiency, and safety. With its dual heating zones, energy-saving technology, wide range of compatibility, and easy-to-use features, it revolutionizes your cooking experience. So, that's all about the 6 best induction cooktops this year. If you think we have left valuable induction cooktops, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.